You don't always need to be friends to play with someone on Roblox. Here's how to join others in game even if they aren't on your friends list. First, you can go ahead and join any public game on Roblox. Click on play and you might end up in the same server. Public games have multiple servers, so you might not join the same server unless you have the server link. So you can use the private server link as well. So ask the person for the private server link. Click on the link and it will open Roblox and click on join. This works even if you're not friends. You can join from the game page. Go to the game page, scroll down, go to the servers tab. Here you'll see a number of servers over here. You can go ahead and join any server that you want. And if the server allows it, you might see a join button next to their username and you'll be done. Remember that you can't join private servers without an invitation. Some games require you to be friends or a group member to join their private servers. There is no guarantee you'll end up in the same server in the public games. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.